The True Induction Cooktop is built to be effortless in your kitchen. Combining both gas and electric features in a safe all-steel enclosure, the True Induction Cooktop is tested to a more rigorous built-in standard. With safety features and versatile modes, such as a rapid heating time and instant burner control, the True Induction Cooktop allows for more precise cooking with patented power-sharing technology. This versatile cooktop even has an automated saute command, which adapts to any cooking style or any situation requiring a quick response. True Induction's magnetic-based heating stops heating immediately once a pot or pan has been removed from the cooktop. And designed with one continuous piece of ceramic glass, cleanup is a simple wipe. True Induction has a cooktop for any environment: the workplace, your home, your RV and more. True Induction, beyond the competition.